welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's vlog. Today's Sunday and it is a beautiful day here in Florida. We're having some pretty strong breeze. So I really enjoy the breeze, especially when it comes into the greenhouse because it provides better circulation for the plants. But I do get scared when I hear the panels move. Because that means if wind can come through here and it has nowhere to escape, it can push out, the panels. But my panels at the bottom there are drilled in, just not in the top. So that's the only thing. I mean, none has flown for a long time. Ever since my husband drilled, none of them has flown off. So it should be fine, but today is a beautiful day. And I put Maxie's food out here. She's eating it because she wants to follow me and she wanted to eat, so I knew if I would come outside after I fed her, I knew that she wasn't going to eat her food, so I put her food out here and now she's eating. Yep, I'm enjoying the greenhouse. Oh yes, gotta update you guys. So I don't know what happened. I guess I didn't realize the past couple of days that I was observing the greenhouse with the sun. I guess I didn't notice that it was just cloudy days, because yesterday after the yard sale I decided to come check at my greenhouse and the sun was coming through really strong and I could feel it like burning my skin. So if it can burn my skin, it could definitely burn my plants. So I quickly ran over here and threw the shade cloth back up there. So I just am not safe. I'm comfortable right now taking off the shade cloth again until I replace the panels to darker ones, to the solid white ones. And I don't know if that's gonna help. I feel like it should help a lot. That'll just have to be, an experiment. I won't be, if I do change them now to the white ones, I won't be worried till probably the summer. In the summertime, I would definitely be worried about that sun, because that is a way intense sun than now, obviously. But everyone is looking so pretty. This one is always been struggling, but she was outside struggling, so I brought her in here to see if maybe she'll just do better here. So I'm gonna have to just keep her in here and see how she does. What was I gonna show you guys? So I brought this from inside my house out here because it's struggling. It's not dying, it's just not it doesn't have its original structure. And these, I guess you would say they're adiolated, and so are these. So I brought it out here to see if it does better in here. Hopefully they do. I beheaded this one and it's there in the shade right there, rooting. And then these are some little things that I have that I'm going to use for maybe an arrangement. That's there. I still haven't made drainage on the pot that I want to use for that one. I need to move that from there because that's just too much light for this. They like bright light. I feel that these are very much like the string of pearls, how they like just bright light, and I think that that's how this one is. So I'm just gonna move that away from there. What else what I wanted to show you? Oh, here's this Stepophilia. I can't pronounce that. Probably if I'm reading it in front of me, I probably could say it correctly. So that's there. I don't know if I ever showed you guys these that I made. I made these a while ago. I didn't show it on YouTube, but I put these together. These were those really, these pots are the ones that I got, I think, for $1.47 at Walmart, and I love them. And this one and that one, I made them at the same time. I put them together at the same time. I believe I put a picture on Instagram. Here's the pot that I just recently potted, and then here are these. I recently put these in here. So cute. I really enjoy the way they look short. I don't prefer them. Maybe if they were in a big arrangement, I like them tall, because these are tall ones. They grow to be tall, but I do love how they look short. And I like how when you look at it from this angle, from the top, they look like little roses. They're so pretty. So I put that in there, and then I also put this one together, this arrangement together. This has more than I feel like this is a double-headed plus crested Echeverria lacina. This was from a leaf propagation, but you see that there? There's a bunch of stacked leaves here, but there's no like head, I guess you would say. And then you have these two heads right here. So that's pretty unique, and I really like with the pink glass stones, I guess you call that. I like that. So I really like the way that turned out. I'm really enjoying the new setup to that. I really like the way this one turned out. So pretty. I don't know if you guys are on Instagram. Sammy! Hold on one second. Sorry, I had to bring Sammy in because he hears the neighbor's dog barking, so it makes him want to bark. What was I showing you guys? Oh yeah, okay. I was telling you guys, I don't know if you ever seen on Instagram. I think there's several people, but I think one person mainly does this. Somebody on Instagram, I can't remember. They'll take a shallow pot. Let me just pick any shallow pot. Here are some plants that I need to pot that they're just down there, tucked away, safe from the sun. Okay, so they'll take a shallow pot like this, place another small pot, pretend like this one. I know you guys seen this, and then put plants in there and then rocks. So I really want to recreate something like that. I'm very inspired by it, and I want to make something like that. So hopefully I can. Yeah, I would like to make something like that. What else did I want to? Oh, let me show you how the babies are doing. Not these babies, but outside. Let me just make sure. This I need to repot because they're just not growing quickly, and they're just not doing well. I don't feel like they're doing super well. So maybe some of them I'll put out there in the planter that's on the fence, and then the other ones I might pot on their own. The wind is so strong at moments that it flew the thing that I had on here out. So I need to fetch it from the neighbor's backyard and put it back back here where it was. Okay, these are doing well too. The only thing I regret is spraying this. I sprayed it with soap and water. No, it wasn't soap and water, something else for scales. And I sprayed it on here, so I messed up the, I think they call it farina, which is the white dusty stuff that protects the plant from the sun. So I hate that I did that because now it doesn't look as pretty. I don't even know if it'll go away. I might have to spray it with water and maybe wash that away, and then maybe it'll look good again. But what did I want to show you? The Echeverria pearl Newtonberg that was in here did end up dying. Too much water, I guess. And then where's the other one? I saw another one. Oh, here it is. This one is trying to recover and it's growing a little head there. So I have turned her this way so that when it rains she doesn't get water. The main water will fall back here, so she should be fine. So these are doing well here, and this one seems to like has dried completely, and it looks like she's gonna make it. So yeah, I've kept her in there in the pot just in case she did rot on me. I could return it back to Home Depot, but it looks like she's doing well. This one is struggling because of all the rain it had gotten. So it's trying to make it look, see this one? I mean, I could save this here. I could save this part. But it's just it's struggling. So we'll see. I might decide to bring her in. I just want to see if she can fight through it and just, you know, get used to it. We should be getting less rain. So we'll see. I'm going to pull this one out. So now I have more little plants to propagate. Okay, now we're gonna check on the boxes. Oh, I was looking at these yesterday and I realized how big they've gotten. I'm like, wow, they've gotten so big. I'll see if I can find the video, a short clip of when I saw these, and when I first planted these and how small they were, and I'll try to put the date so you can compare the size. But yeah, these are doing well. This one's doing well. This one has been here for quite a long time. You've been seeing these plants quite a long time. I might behead these and take off the leaves that don't look so good, and probably bring them in my greenhouse and let them grow in there, because I don't know if this is from the sun, from rain and then the sun hitting it, or if it's actual some type of fungus or something attacking it. I'm not sure, so I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna clean that out really well. I'm doing super well. I want to say these have been here for a year already. I wonder, see how dark this is here? I wonder why it gets like that. These don't have it at all. But this is a different kind. This is California Sunset, and this is something Sorrento. I can't recall right now, but I know it has Sorrento in it, like the name. It's a different one, so it's not the same. Here's more California Sunset. So pretty, guys. Look at that. That's beautiful. Such a pretty plant, and it's just effortless. She's beautiful and effortless and not a lot of work. Very easy plant to take care of. Now let's go look at the babies. Here are the babies. I was too lazy to open my shade cloth and mess with it because it's such a big piece that I have. So I just took this screen that I had laying around, because I was using the screen for my greenhouse, so I folded over twice and laid it on top just to give it a little bit more protection. So let me see if I could just show you. Hold on. There we go. I feel like I don't know if it's just me, but I feel like there's already been growth. So we have Echeveria Pronumber. This is Lilacina, more of the Sorrento, scallop, something Calicoy scallop plant. Can't recall the name. I'm terrible remembering names. Let's see over here. Look at the jelly beans. They look very happy. It's very subsilis, or I think it's also I think it also has a name. I think it's called Morning Beauty or something like that. So yeah, these are doing very well. This is it's very elegant. Pink butterflies. Is it? Yeah, pink butterflies. So they're doing well. Okay guys, I think that I'm gonna go to Home Depot now after this, and I'll see you guys now. So let's check what they have. These, I believe, they're the chocolate ones. Let's see. No, this is the panda plant, but actually it looks like the chocolate ones to me. Flapjacks, elephant bush, blue chopsticks. I love these. Go to the main area. Some interesting looking plants here. This is pretty interesting. That's a pretty interesting arrangement. I mean, it needs some TLC, but this right here, what is that? Is this the rat tail cactus? I wonder. Oh, these are so pretty, and they last a long time. I feel like my lens looks a little hazy better. So this is another Home Depot. I haven't been to this one in a while, so I feel like these have been here for a while. You can tell by what these look like. But they have some really cute cactuses. Look at this one. It looks like it had a flower maybe here and somebody removed it, or maybe it just looks like that. I'm not sure. What's the name of this one? It's so cute. It's a Mammillaria gracilis, maybe? Let's see, what else? Look, they have that Indian corn cactus that I just got from Maria. It's really pretty. What's this one called again? Corothea. I think it's the zebra one. Can't remember the name right now. Oh, these look pretty sad. They look, ooh. Look, it has a cubic frost in there. That's pretty. But I mean, the whole arrangements, these look so sad. Goodness. But I really like that only over there. Okay, let's go look around and see what else I can find. So, if you look back at my previous videos, this was way fuller than what it is now. Look, that's the plant I have that I just got. Let's see what they have. I'm gonna tell you that today's such a beautiful day. So I'm just looking for something that just really catches my eye. That is beautiful. It looks really pretty. So does this one. This is $13. She's really pretty. I think she might be worth it. Let's see what else. See over here. I never saw the pumpkin arrangements that they were supposed to get. Not a lot. I'm surprised. Look over here. Here are some of those trays that I got last time. They don't look too bad. There's that one. Look, there's that owl again. It broke though. The little piece broke. This one looks pretty good. Yeah, that one looks okay. How much is this one? That's $17. Not too bad. Oh, that one's really pretty. Oh, I see the $2.98 ones over there. Let's go look at that. This is the one I have at the house. Let me see if I was Echeveria. Yep, it's an Echeveria Blue Atoll. Atoll. That's really pretty. Really pretty. So I just got this one. I think it was in one of those trays, I believe. And then this is Echeveria Rose. I already have one of those. So I came back to look at the cactuses, and the first time I came and looked over here, I didn't notice this cute little guy right here. I don't have this. I like it. It looks like broccoli, but at the same time, they look like little mini trees or mini bushes. So cute. So I think this is the only thing I'm going to get right now, guys. It is Curiosity Plant Mini. It's so cute. So yeah, I think that's all I'm going to get. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe. And thanks again. Have a blessed day. Bye, guys.